This is a lap joint of two plates connected by a single rivet. Here, due to the pulling load P at the two plates, the rivet will be in shear. This is the shearing area of the rivet. This is a double cover plate butt joint. Here plate 1 and plate 2 is connected by means of two cover plates. Cover plate, and here on applying the pull to the plate on both sides, the rivet will be in shear. This is the shearing area of the rivet. Here the shearing area of the rivet will be 2. Here this one and this one. Whereas in single shear the shearing area is only 1 cross section of the rivet. Here the shearing area will be at 2 cross sections of the rivet. Now the diameter of the rivet is 25 mm. Shear strength of the rivet material is 320 megapascal. N is the number of rivets per pitch, and we need to find the shearing resistance of the rivet due to pull P for both single riveted lap joint and double riveted double cover plate butt joint. Here the shearing area of the rivet is pi by 4 d square, this cross section of the rivet for single shear, whereas for double shear we will multiply 2, since 2 cross sections per rivet are under shear. So the formula is 2 into pi by 4 into d square. Now shearing resistance of the rivet per pitch is N into area of shear into shear strength of the rivet material. Here N for single shear, here N, the rivet number of rivets per pitch is only one rivet is there, therefore we will take N as 1 into pi by 4 into d squared, the value of d is 25 squared, into the shear strength of the rivet material, which is 320 megapascal, which we will get the shearing resistance of the rivet in single shear as 157.1 kilonewton. Now shearing resistance of the rivet per pitch for double shearing. Here 2 rivets per pitch length is there, and the shearing area per rivet is 2 cross sections of the rivet. Therefore the formula will be N, number of rivets per pitch, into 2 is multiplied, since per rivet 2 cross sections are in shear. 2 into pi by 4 into d squared, area of the rivet, into shear strength of the rivet material. Here N, number of rivets per pitch, is 2, so we multiply 2 to the shearing area of the rivet into 320 shear strength of the rivet material. Here since we multiply N, since we take the value of N as 2 and we multiply it to the area of the rivet, here it is visible the total shearing area of the cross section of the rivet is 4. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times the area of the rivet. On multiplying, we get the shearing resistance of the rivet as 628.3 kilonewton in double shear. Thank you. If you like this knowledge sharing, please subscribe to have further technical discussion.